Life is beautiful. The special thing about life is that it can only be experienced once. And within that time, there is much to do. Much more to accomplish. One of those things would be a pursuit. Pursuits set by people who understand what life means. Chasing after that dream, whatever it may be. The destination may be set in the head, but then there's the method of how to reach that destination. And there we go, searching, learning. Even if one has to backtrack the same way they went because of a mistake that was made, one should not dwell on mistakes, instead learn from it. And there we go on. And there I go. I keep moving. And search, putting effort into my pursuits. I get my doubts, wondering if the dream is truly meant to be. But little did I know, I would soon come across it, what I have been searching for.
What do you know? We did it. After all this time, I've done it. We've done it. And now all that's left is to take it. 100 subscriber play button. Woo! We did it. Hey everyone out there, mine's TheShiningSpace. It's a hot day today in the state of Texas. It's going up to the 90s, sometimes the hundreds in Fahrenheit. I'm under the shade right now, so it's helping a bit with the temperature. And I know this isn't the usual setting where I make my videos, but for this particular one, I thought this would be a good spot. Now, a couple of days ago, we hit 100 subscribers. And it didn't stop there. That number just kept on growing and growing and growing at such a fast rate that I never thought I could achieve at such a short amount of time. It was quickly, it was so sudden. I was surprised, I was thrilled, and I want to share this with all of you today to say thank you and thank God, thank Lord, for He is amazing and great. Now that I got this far, I can finally earn myself this, a wooden 100 subscriber play button dedicated to TheShiningSpace. Ooh, that's for me. Now, there's a story behind this. You see, YouTube did not send this to me. This isn't a gift that they officially awarded me or anything like that. I made this myself. In my last year of high school, I was in a wood shop class, and towards the end of the year, before graduation, I was told I can make one more project. So I made this, a wooden play button dedicated to me, saying congratulations. And I know it's like kind of a grab ass if I'm patting myself on the back, but I made this knowing and thinking to myself, you know what, if and when I ever make it to at least 100, I should I should just take this and put it at my desk so that whenever I'm working on anything or doing a video, I can look at that and just smile and just think to myself, you know what, I made it this far. Gracias a Dios. And on top of that, I get to make this video dedicated to all of you. This isn't about me, it's about all of you. Saying thank you very much for not just, it's not just that you watch my videos, it's the support that you give me by subscribing, giving likes, saying comments, and saying such kind things. I read a lot of comments from everyone who watches my videos throughout. First it was nothing, at first, and then it was rising. People were saying more things. I'm happy for the support. Without talking too much, I want to say thank you very much, all of you, everyone out there, for supporting me, The Shining Space. And gracias a Dios. Thanks be to God for this blessing which He has given me. It's nice. I'm happy. Happy for a moment. Now that I said all this, I think I'm gonna go now. I don't know where my horse is. Somewhere over there, doing horse things. You know, it's a nice horse, not too bad. So, yeah, I should end the video here. Again, thank you everyone so much for watching. My name is TheShiningSpace. Let's see how much further we can go. I love you all. Bye now. Bye now. And God bless you.